Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Fidelity app say loading the second you tap on it and then just sits there forever, even though your connection is fine? Here's the fix. First, open a browser and check a third party outage tracker like Town Detector's Fidelity page, since Fidelity has confirmed widespread outages before that affect the app exactly this way. And this instantly tells you if the problem is in their end. If everything looks normal there, go to your settings and then toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then back to fully reset your network connection. After that, since a stalled loading session can look identical to a slow network connection, force close the Fidelity app completely from your recent app list and then reopen it fresh on that reset connection. After that, if it's still stuck on loading, go to your settings app again, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Scroll down to the list of apps and find Fidelity, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store and reinstall it completely fresh to clear a corrupted cache. Then that's it. All you've got to do is check for an outage, restart your connection, force goes and reopen the offload. Then offload and reinstall if it proceeds. The app loads past loading. Subscribe for more Fidelity app fixes.